And now for the financial week. The Finance Minister, Dr. Nigel Clarke, says the Bank of Jamaica is working on measures to make it easier for citizens who want to transfer their accounts from one financial institution to another. Kalisha Williams reports.
An acknowledgement by the Finance Minister, Dr. Nigel Clarke, that something has to be done to encourage competition in the local financial market. Specifically, he is referring to deposit-taking institutions which are currently dominated by the two major players. Dr. Clarke says that will have to change.
An absence of rigorous, ruthless competition does not serve the public interest. Now, this is a legacy that we have inherited. We did not design the system as it is, but due to the collapse of the financial sector in the 1990s and what ensued, this is what we have today.
Part of what is being explored is to make it easier for Jamaicans to switch banks.
The central bank has been seeking the assistance of the World Bank to help with developing a scheme in Jamaica that can support deposit portability, where it becomes easier for consumers and customers of bank institutions to move their deposits and their accounts from one entity to another without invisible barriers. You know, in the trade world, you have visible and invisible barriers. You may want to move your account because you're dissatisfied with the service you are receiving, but the invisible barriers make it difficult for that to happen.
Among what is being proposed is for the establishment of an electronic KYC database that all banks can access so that customers will not be required to reproduce their KYC information in the event they want to transfer their accounts.
In addition to that, the entire paradigm of fintech, digital payments, or digital finance rather, and payment systems are areas that have the focus of the central bank as we aim to stimulate innovation and competition in the financial sector. And I would say that Jamaica is ripe for financial sector innovation. It is absolutely ripe for financial technology innovation. It is absolutely ripe for digital finance.
For the Financial Week, I'm Kalisha Williams.
To the foreign exchange market now, the Jamaican dollar continued its losing streak today, losing 49 cents at the end of trading. Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $157.18. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.72. $191.15 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will go for $168.94. To the stock market now. In today's trading session, the JSE index declined by 3,039 points, while the junior market at index advanced by 26 points. Advancing stocks at 46 were almost equal to the 43 stocks which declined. The price of 19 stocks was unchanged. The winners were led by First Rock Real Estate, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, and Main Event Entertainment Group. Losers included JMMB 7.25 preference shares, 138 Student Living variable shares, Epley 7.5% preference shares, Berger, and Mailpack Group. And that's the Financial Week. Good evening.